Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss the problem related to consignment. Before starting the problem, subscribe to my channel and like and share. So, we are going to discuss the meaning of consignment first. Consignment means the sending of goods by one person to another person to be sold by the later on the sole risk and behalf of the former consignor for certain consideration. Next, moving on to consignor, the person who is the owner of the goods and who sends goods to his agent to sold the goods behalf of him is called consignor. Next, moving on to consignee, the person to whom goods are sent and to be sold is known as consignee or agent. In consignor, the person who is the owner of the goods and who sends the good is called consignor. In consignee, the person to whom we are sending the goods is known as consignee. So let's start the problem. So we will see the second question related to consignment. The firm of SC and Company of Delhi consigned to Premier and Company Rangoon 50 cases of goods valued at 350 each. The consignor paid freight and insurance thereon 1800. They received an advance from Premier and Company 8000. Received an account sales from Premier and Company giving particular as under. Gross proceeds 28,000. Expenses of warehousing, carriage, dog dues incurred by them amounted to 900 and the commission to 1000. So let's see the solution of this. So this is the pro forma for consignment account. Particular amount and debit and credit should be compulsory, and this heading is also compulsory. Consignment account, SC and Company is the consignor. So let's do. So first we have to write the entry of two goods sent on consignment account 50 into 350. It's there in this question. You can see 50 cases of piece of goods valued at 350 each. So we have to multiply them 50 into 350. These are the goods sent on consignment. So 50 into 350 17,500. So as it is we have to write being goods sent on consignment. Next, to cash expenses of consignor. It's also given in this question 1800. You can see here. The consignor paid freight and insurance thereon 1800. So we have to write it here. To Premier and Company, expenses of consignee 900. You can see here. Incurred by them amounted to 900. Next, to Premier and Company, commission of consignee. It's here. Commission 1000. So we have to write. Next, in credit side, we have to write by Premier and Company sales 28,000. Sales we have to write always in credit side. It's given here. Gross proceeds 28,000. Gross proceeds is also known as sales, so we have to write it here. So we have to do the total of both of them. The credit side we got the highest amount 28,000, and by adding these amounts we are getting some amount. If we have to deduct the amount from 28,000, all the amounts we are getting some amount. If we are getting less amount in debit side, we have to write as to profit. If we are getting less amount in credit side, then we have to write by loss. Here in debit side the amount is less, so we are deducting the amount and we are writing 6,800, and we have to balance the amount 28,000. And next, moving on to consignee account. Premier and Company is the consignee and the pro forma is same, particular amount. In this, the consignee account, debit will going to be credited and credit will going to be debited. So what is there in credit side? By Premier and Company. To Premier and Company we have to write same as it is 28,000 and 28,000. By in credit side, by advance 8,000 it's there. Here it's there 8,000. They received an advance from Premier and Company 8,000. So we have to write. By Premier and Company commission of consignee, same we have to copy. 900 by Premier and Company commission of knee 1000. This is the consignee account, no? So we have to write the adjustments related to consignee only, not of consignor. Next we have to do the total. This is the amount 28,000 we are getting here, and by adding these three amounts we are getting some amount which we are deducting from 28,000. Then we are getting by bank account, we have to write. Here is also where is a less amount, then we have to transfer the balance amount to here by saying by bank account 18,100. Next, moving on to goods sent on consignment account. Here also the pro forma is same, debit and credit particular amount to trading account or purchase. Anyone we can write 17,500 we are writing here. From where we are getting the 17,500? First we have written to goods sent on consignment account 17,500. The same amount we have to write it here 17,500. And in credit side also we have to write by consignment account 17,500 same, and we have to tally the amount 17,500. Hope this video is helpful for you. If you like this video, then subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.